Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll show you how you can add borders to your auto cutout videos or photos in CapCut PC. So select your video, go to cutout and select auto cutout. And as you can see, now they have these options. There's some pro ones, but there are some free ones. This one's like a paper kind of border. This one's like the normal one. And here you can edit the color and the size of it as well. As you can see, if you want another color, you can choose another color, definitely like here. And then I'm just going to add a background real quick, go to basic, and then scroll down until you find canvas, and I'm just going to add in a color. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!